First tonight at 6, in an effort to make Tulsa better, Mayor G.T. Bynum laid out several new initiatives focused on mental health, homelessness, and public safety. This was all a part of his State of the City speech this afternoon. I was there, and tonight I'm breaking down how these new initiatives will help our community. The Cox Business Convention Center was packed Tuesday afternoon with more than 1,000 business and community leaders. Tulsa Mayor G.T. Bynum took center stage, laying out several new initiatives aimed at making Tulsa a globally competitive city.
So we define that along three main lines. Have to be a safe city, we have to be a city of opportunity for everyone, and we have to be a city where this generation of Tulsans is building the city that they want to leave to the next.
Mayor Bynum says to recruit more police officers, they're offering a $15,000 bonus when they graduate the academy. He says the latest numbers show we have around 810 officers. Experts say we need 950.
We are losing right now more officers than we're gaining.
The mayor says the latest academy was budgeted for 30 recruits. They had 11. They're using that extra money for the bonuses. Over at the fire department, they're working to address their aging fleet.
With overseas supply chain issues slowing that process down, it's just been glacial to get our trucks replaced.
Moving forward, the mayor says they're working on a standard replacement schedule for those older trucks. The city of Tulsa also plans to create a 24/7 mental health recovery center in the next year. With $1 million in county and state support, it'll help children and families in crisis.
This model will be a one-stop triage center for families in immediate mental health crisis.
And one of the biggest issues facing Tulsans is homelessness.
What is the greatest cause of homelessness in our city? What comes up over and over and over again is housing.
City leaders have identified 3 ways to address this problem. First, they'll open a low-barrier shelter in the next year.
Tulsa is one of the largest cities in America that doesn't already have one of these, and a significant percentage of the people that you see on the streets today are there because they don't have anywhere else to go.
Next, when extreme temperatures cause crowding at current shelters, they'll work with faith communities to open their places of worship. Most ambitiously, they're looking for $500 million in housing investments to provide more homes for Tulsans.
When it comes to reaching the $500 million housing goal, everything is on the table. We're going to evaluate all options that we have as a city government.
So I did check with this city today about the difference between a low-barrier homeless shelter and what we currently have in town. They told me that it would eliminate existing reasons for why people don't have access to the shelter, like animals, storage for belongings, lack of personal identification, and other factors. A Way Home for Tulsa did release a statement on the mayor's initiative today. Melanie Stewart said in part, quote, "Mayor Bynum's call to action will go a long way to ensure Tulsans experiencing homelessness or approaching homelessness will have a safe place to call home."